Consistency. Consistency is one of the most important things to have if you want to accomplish anything in life, especially your fitness goals. Consistency. You know what time it is right now? It is 1:30 a.m. in the morning. And where am I? I'm in my gym that I spend all day at. You know, I work the desk from 10 in the morning until 8 p.m. at night. And then I'm often here afterward working on something in my office, okay? I'm my entire marketing company. I search for the equipment. I deal with emails. And, of course, I'm trying to get more people into the gym, trying to work out stuff, plan stuff out. I'm going to start classes, start teaching some historical fencing classes. I got to create curriculum, right? So I'm busting my butt off, doing all that, plus all the other types of startups that I have. I have some other blogs that I update, I write for. I'm a very busy person. Still, make time to work out 1:30 in the morning if that's what it takes, because consistency is what gets you the results, okay? Now, that's the easiest thing in the world for somebody to say, I don't feel like going to the gym today. I don't feel like accomplishing some goal today, going to work, blah, 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 whatever it is. It doesn't matter what you feel like. What matters is what you actually do. If you don't put in the work, you don't get the results. It is just the facts of life, people. You don't put in the work, you do not reap the benefits, okay? Consistency. Consistency is more important than how you feel. If you feel like complete crap, you still go to the gym and you do a workout, you are going to get the results no matter how you feel. If you feel shitty, if you feel good, it don't matter. Your body doesn't give a damn, okay? You make it do labor, you make it do work, and you get the body that you want to have. Consistency. Consistency is what is going to change your life.